Yeah, hi, morning. This is for Sergio in Italy. It's Mark, FMAV. You sent me your jukebox laser. Just to let you know that I've done that. Couple of things I want to go over, basically. But what I've done so far, I've obviously changed the laser. I've done loads more stuff that basically you should be paying for. I've given you basically a whole new unit because it was so bad. But I'll show it working for you. This is all working here for you. I'll just turn the volume up so you can hear it. Okay. You can see that working there. So I'll stop. Okay, so I'm going to stop it. I don't know, hang on, let me stop that. I'll turn that off. Okay, I'll turn it back on. And turn that up. Okay, so basically that's fully working as it should be. Alright, so I'm just going to turn it off again. I've had it on for several hours. I'm just going to show you a couple of things here. This bit of tape, I use a bit of tape to put this on because of the top spindle here. Right, basically what I've done, this is what I've changed. I've changed all of these parts, every single one of these parts. That's nothing to do with you. But I've changed all of these parts here. Okay, so I've changed the whole spindle, changed this, I've changed all these cogs, which are absolutely stuffed, and the laser obviously, absolutely stuffed. Okay, now the only thing that I couldn't do is this part here because I haven't got any of these. But what I've done is I've put this part on here. Okay, this little plastic part. Now this will come off. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'll just gently, if I can get that off there gently, hang on. Alright, here we go. Okay, so basically this part here is, is my part, alright, because I haven't got any of them other parts in stock, alright, but your part is this one here. Okay, so this should go on top of there, right? But now look, I haven't glued it. Okay, but you need to glue that back on properly. Okay, if that is the one that you want. All right, so at the moment it's not glued. All right, so you can pull that on and off because this one is you know what I mean, it's had it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what someone's done there, but it's all working as you can see anyway. So yeah, I've done loads more work here than what I normally do, and I would definitely charge more money for it. But I'll let you have it as a freebie on this occasion, just this once occasion for people. So okay, but yeah, that'll be in the post for you today. So thank you very much. Okay. I'll just show you these other bits here before you go. Even this here, all this was all busted up, all around here. Now you look at this one, it's perfect, absolutely perfect. It's like a brand new unit. All right, this is a totally reconditioned unit. This is exactly what I would do if I was going to sell another unit. All right, so that unit was pretty smashed up, to be honest with you. Like I say, it's the worst one I've actually seen or done. So anyway, thank you very much, and hope you get this back soon. Thank you.